Indomie, also known as Obetodun. And welcome to my YouTube channel called Obetodun Cooks. I would like you to follow me as we cook our everyday Nigerian meals in the easiest way possible. On our first episode today, we'll be making instant peppered egg. First, we heat up some palm oil in the pan. I don't like to bleach my oil, so I will just be heating it up on medium heat. Once it is hot enough to produce some smoke, put your boiled egg in the oil and fry it till it begins to shrink or wrinkle a little bit. Do this on low heat in order not to over-fry your eggs. Once wrinkled enough, remove the eggs and set aside. Add sliced onions and washed locust beans. Fry for a minute on medium-high heat. Then add your blended peppers and allow to fry for a while. Next, we add our seasonings, then the accessories. Then finally, add your eggs. Now reduce the heat and allow to fry. Remember to stir occasionally. Once the pepper looks fried, turn off the heat and allow to simmer. And there we have it, our instant peppered egg. The color has changed just like we love it. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting and easy ways to make your everyday Nigerian delicacy. And remember to click on the notification bell. Thank you.